Now we will learn in the unit 3 the game playing. And why are we learning this? That is what is the introduction to this unit 3, and this lecture is why it is selected the game playing technique for going for getting our artificial intelligence to do some problem solution, why it has been taken. Now we all know that we like the game, we like playing game. Why it is so? We always love to play the games because because reasons. It has well defined rules. That is very important. Without rules, it's very difficult to analyze. And secondly, we can say that it is easy to evaluate. It's easy to evaluate because there are certain given rules. And why it is easy? Why it is easy to evaluate? Because in the game there are only three conditions. In the game we have only three conditions. Either we win, either there is a draw, or there is a loss. You win or lose. So other than these three conditions, we have nothing more. So you can say if it is a win, you can give a 1 point. If it is a draw, you can go for a 0. If it is a loss, you can go for a -1. There are many methods of representation. This is one which helps us to make it easy. So with the games, we like the games because it has well defined rules, as already it has been known to you.